out for a walk today. I was pointed towards this pin tree that points up to that path. So coming up the path, there are trees that angle in off in the distance. See them pointing to the right. And then on the left, they're pointing to the left, which means you go up in between them. So here's the one a little closer, pointing to the right. And off in the distance, the camera's only picking up that one, but there's one right back in there. Yeah, I can't see it on the camera, pointing to the left. So here's the interesting thing. Whenever you see these symbols, the trees are usually not in the direction of all the other fallen natural trees. And notice that that's not attached to the ground anywhere. And neither is that one. It probably came off of, I was going to guess that tree, but that one's been there a whole lot longer. So I have no idea where that tree came from. Here's another pinned tree. And if you look, it's just under a small tree that should not have pinned it to the ground, because it goes all the way down here. There's something interesting about this rock field. It's always like this with all this moss. Obviously, it's been this way for years. Nothing I can put my finger on, though. Well, I came up here to find an asterisk. Here's an old one. I don't remember it being here last year, but it must have been, because I don't remember it. I don't know. Anyway, it depends how you look at it, but it'll be best viewed from the air, oddly. And there are trees coming in from all direction. And you can see, for size comparison, there's my shoe.